Just today, I got paid $8,000 almost with affiliate marketing, which I'm going to show you in a second. And on top of that, in the last 24 hours, I've been able to build myself literally from zero a $29,000 a year income, which is $2,400 per month residual income. And I'm going to show you exactly how I did it in this video. How's it going, guys? My name is David, and this is
Karina.
And that over there, the panda, is Matthew. And where did we get him?
We got him in Montreal. We won it.
Yeah, we won it in like a fair like 3 years ago, and he's basically sitting and guarding our living dining area, which we never really use that much.
Dining room. We don't really use it.
Let's dive into the video. Let me just swipe this down, and as you can see, 2 payments that have come in today. One of them came in at 1:30, as you can see right there. Another one came in at 1:41. One is for $5,965, and another one for $1,900. That's almost $8,000 in an affiliate commission payday, essentially. And let me show you this. This is my email right here. And as you can see, if I swipe this down, today is December 2nd. And this is a promotion I literally started just yesterday. So December 1st, this is the very first commission that came in. And if we count these, and I'm going to scroll real slow, if you want, you can count them, but I already did. And there's 33 of these. And there's another commission right here, by the way, that came in at 9:34 in the morning. I was sleeping at the time. This was $1,497 plus all of these commissions. If you add all of this up, that comes to a total of 33 sales. Each one of these is equivalent to $75 monthly residual commission, which is the equivalent of about $2,400 a month. And if you multiply that by 12, then that means it's about $29,000 in a year in income. And it took me literally 24 hours to do it. 24 hours. Okay. Now, I am in no way suggesting, you're going to be able to do in 24 hours $29,000 a year to build that type of an income. I mean, it's possible. I'm just here to show you basically what's possible, but I'm not guaranteeing it or anything like this. Now, one thing that I do want to mention is this. Let me just start the video here. One thing I do want to mention is this. If you want to start generating big affiliate commissions, and I'm talking about $2,000 commissions, recurring monthly commissions, what you're going to want to do is click the link in the video description and go check out the affiliate marketing campaign that I have. Because with one good affiliate marketing campaign, you just need one good one, it can literally generate you thousands of dollars per day in commissions. Literally thousands of dollars per day. I've been doing it with 100% free traffic. I show you exactly the traffic source that I use. I show you exactly how to get traffic from it. I even give you the campaign when you click the link below and go check it out and join my team. There's 3 steps to making this work. Number 1, and this is for serious people only. So if you're not really looking to make big money online, this is not for you. If you're playing in the $20, $25 commission arena, this is not for you. This is for you if you're looking for big commissions, $2,000 commissions per day, and you want to do it with free traffic. I can show you how to do that because I'm doing that myself, and my team members are doing that almost every single day, a $2,000 commission. Actually, if I switch over here to the Facebook group, you can see, let me just open the group here. Here's one of my members, my team members, Miles, posted this 6 hours ago that he made $2,350 just today. And he was at the gym while doing it. Pretty cool, right? This is me posting in the morning, started my day with $1,500. Yesterday for me personally was a $6,700 day, just in affiliate commissions, not even counting the recurring stuff. Here's another member, Sunjit, posted that he made $1,000 today. This was yesterday. That came in for him, and I could keep going on and on and on. Here's another member, $2,350. Here's an announcement that I made. Here's another member, made $44,550 in a little over 60 days. One of my team members made it with this system, with this exact system that you see just below this video. So if you're watching this on YouTube, 3 steps to making this work. Step number 1, click the link just below and go watch the webinar. It's going to explain everything. It's going to explain how we earn commissions, how you can generate commissions, what's my traffic source, and everything you need to know. Step 2, you want to activate your affiliate system, essentially, your affiliate. You need to set up the affiliate links because I'm doing the work. Essentially, I'm running the webinar. I'm sending out the email follow-up on your behalf. I'm doing the videos, the promotion, the actual bonuses, sending out the bonuses, and everything that the campaign needs, I do. All you got to do is set up your income streams. Obviously, watch the webinar first. Set up your income streams, get your affiliate IDs inside the system, because if I'm sending out emails on your behalf, I need to know what your affiliate ID is, and you want to set it up to a level called Vertex Live. Remember those two words, Vertex Live, because that's the level that's going to allow you to earn up to $2,000 commissions. And basically, they're going to be able to set up a site for you, a specific site that you're going to need, especially if you're running free traffic the way I'm going to show you. So join my team, because once you join my team, I give you the same campaign that I use to generate these types of commissions. And the same campaign I gave every single one of the members that you just saw that generated $2,000 plus commissions. Step number 3 is sending traffic. So again, step 1, click the link below. Go check out the webinar. If this is important for you and you can sit down for an hour and watch a webinar where I reveal traffic sources that are generating me thousands of dollars per day, free traffic sources, no ad budget needed here. Secondly, set up your income stream. It takes like 10 minutes to do that. And I hook you up with the exact campaign that I use and the exact even videos that I use, the ads and everything. And step 3 is starting to send traffic, and I help you with that. Okay, I show you exactly how to do that. There's a secret software that we use, and you're actually going to get access to that once you activate Vertex Live secret software. I'm not going to talk about it here, but it's basically what helps me and many of my members generate these types of sales. And I'm going to help you as well once you join my team at Vertex Live. You don't want to join just some random person just because you found some affiliate link online. You want to join somebody who's, first of all, generating the kind of results you want to generate. And secondly, somebody who's actually going to help you by giving you the stuff that you actually need to make the campaign work. And I'm actually giving you the actual campaign that I use. So go ahead, click the link below, go ahead, get started. One last thing that I want to mention before I close off the video. I'm currently running a giveaway for a 3-night luxurious hotel stay valued at $800, and it's going to be either at Miami or San Diego, one of these warm places. And to qualify to enter this giveaway, all you need to do is this. Number 1, just below this video, I want you to comment, what is your biggest question on affiliate marketing right now? What do you need help with the most? Where are you stuck? What do you need help with? What do you feel like is missing for you to start generating commissions? Comment down below. Step 2, hit like on this video. If you're watching this on YouTube, thumbs up. If you're watching this on Facebook, then just click the like button. And step 3 is make sure that you're subscribed to my YouTube channel. Click the subscribe button, and also make sure to tick the bell icon. And there's a reason for it. The reason for that is simple. I want to invite you to the next live stream that I do, where I literally show up on a call. You get to the call, and you can basically ask me any question you want about affiliate marketing, like anything, generating traffic, generating commissions, conversion tactics, anything you need, anything at all. I've made over 103,000 just in the first 61 days with this exact campaign. So I probably know a couple of things about affiliate marketing you might not know about right now. So if you want to be invited to this live stream, it's free to attend, but the only requirement is you need to be subscribed to the channel, because this is where I send out the invitations from. So really important that you actually subscribe and tick the bell notification icon. That's the most important thing, because if you don't tick the bell icon, you're not going to get invited. So make sure to click that. And the last thing is make sure to follow the steps. Again, 3 steps. Click the link below. Go watch the webinar. Step 2, join my team at Vertex Live. Step 3, start sending traffic to your personalized affiliate marketing campaign, which I'm going to give you. And don't forget also to enter the giveaway, enter your name into the giveaway. So this way, if you're the winner, you're going to find out. There's a winner every single day. Every single day. I'm spending a fortune on this thing because I want to have more awesome subscribers like you. So click the link below and subscribe, tick the bell icon, and make sure to enter the giveaway. So you're going to find out if you're a winner. Every day at 7 p.m. I announce the winners. And if you are, you're going to get an email and you're going to get the hotel stay giveaway. So go ahead, do that. And I'll see you guys inside the system in just a minute. Go ahead, click the link right now. I'll see you there in a minute. Bye for now. Say bye.
Bye.